I know you, Emeka. It's me, Nkechi.
Nkechi, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you that, even though I already know the answer.
You're not supposed to be here, Nkechi. You need to leave immediately.
Emeka, Princess Adeze is getting married. And I will need your help for something. If you do not want her to marry another person.
Wait. Let me understand something. Princess Adeze is getting married. But they just started dating not too long ago. So how possible is that?
It is an arranged marriage.
What?
For her to ascend the throne.
Arranged marriage? But she told me she doesn't have interest in the throne. So what are you saying?
Emeka, stalking her will never help you in any way. If you want her back, then walk with me.
How do you mean? How do I walk with you?
What are you waiting for before you accept Susan's hand in marriage?
I did not oppose that. I just will not accept him being married into this family only for you to be crowned queen.
Well, you have to face reality, my darling. Whether you like it or not, I will be the queen of this kingdom. You have no choice. It's better you do it or we stand the risk of another family taking the throne from us.
Your threats holds no water, Adeze. I once wanted you to be queen of this kingdom. But when I found out the evil that lurks around you, I will never let that happen. You betrayed the trust of our family. You betrayed the trust of this kingdom. I will never let you be crowned queen.
Please spare me that sentimental bullshit. Now you stand there to call me a betrayal, isn't it? You think I am one? Whether you like it or not, I am the future queen of this kingdom. Deal with it. Why am I even here arguing with an Enoch like you?
You can go ahead and call me Enoch or whatever you like. That does not change the fact that I decide who becomes queen.
All of you have done evil.
We shall see to
You cannot fight the ghost, my princess.
Ezemo, I need your help. My sister, Uloma, the future queen of this kingdom, is gravely sick, and I fear for her life. Please, help me.
Prince Dikeh,
Ezemo,
the darkness surrounding your family is too strong. The answer to your sister's ailment is not only in the physical healing, but also in confronting the shadows that threaten to consume your life.
what must I do, Ezemo, to save my family? I am willing to do whatever it takes to save my sister and restore peace in the palace.
There are two paths before you. It's either you continue to struggle in the darkness surrounding your sister's embodiment, or have her removed permanently.
Removed? By removed you mean kill her?
The choice is yours. But remember, the longer you hesitate, the greater the danger for your sister and our community.
I cannot, Ezemo. I cannot resort to violence. I'm sure there are other ways to sort this out and restore peace in the palace. By the way, since you're aware of my sister's evil activities, why don't you make her confess.
The ways of the spirit are not the ways of men.
I've not heard that before. All the same, there's equally nothing I can do. Thank you, Ethan.
May the gods lead you. But remember, sometimes the only way to fight darkness is to fight it head on.
Because my princess.
Daisy, how could you do this to me? How could you betray our love by marrying another man?
What exactly is the color of your problem? Was I speaking Spanish when I told you that whatever we shared was over? Huh? What is wrong? Listen, you are not of any concern to me right now. So I advise you to leave.
Daisy, but I love you so much. I can't withstand the fact that another man is married to you. I can't.
You just keep your mouth. You know what? Why am I even exchanging words with you? Guards!
Daisy.
Guards!
Princess!
Please come take this insolent fool away from my sight.
Daisy.
I would not tolerate any more
I
interruptions.
still want you in my life. I can't
Are you
lose
joking
you,
with him? Take him away!
Daisy, please.
Lover boy indeed. It's time for power tussle and not time to talk love.
Oga, the move now.
Just calm down.
I don't dey provoke.
Daisy, I won't.
I go.
Please now.
Oga, dey come front now. Wait there.
Daisy,
You don't dey
please.
start again.
Please.
You don't dey start
Just calm
again.
down.
Oga, dey go now. Oga, don't dey go now. You don't dey go now. Dey go.
Daisy, please.
Okay, my princess.
Onye we chi abụọ ka anyị marụkwa na-ejiri azụ atụ oke afịa lilienu
Nkechi, enough of all these your games. I don't think I can keep up with these games anymore. Enough.
What do you mean by that? Don't you want the princess anymore?
I want the princess now, but what do you want me to do now, eh? The reason I'm just being fixated about all these whole issues is because I love the princess and she's carrying my child.
What? Emeka, I had no idea. How could you keep something like this from me? Does her brother know?
No. But what do you expect me to do now, eh? Do you expect me to go around the whole town announcing it, eh?
Emeka, you are from Umaloma. According to your tradition, you do not keep your bloodline outside, married or not married. So, you need to claim your child from the royals.
What will I do now? She's getting married to the prince. Or should I go and fight the prince?
Or she getting married to who? Hey, see, Adeze is not getting married to any prince, but Onowu's son, Uzo.
Wait, what? Which of the Onowu's son, please?
Uzo.
Uzo, my friend. No. That's not true. That's not true. It's not possible.
I have just told you the truth, though.
But Uzo is still the same person that told me about this marriage. Or do you mean he lied to me?
Friends, Mbo, I've told you the truth. I
No,
don't
no,
know.
no. This can't be possible. No.
Because what are you doing here?
Yeah?
What if my father was around?
Ozonaya, do I look like I care? I am here to discuss something very important with you.
Now, what is something very important again? Huh? You know what I have coming on. Huh? I can't be seen with you. You don't know what
Ozonaya, my parents want to see you. They know about us, about our unborn baby. They just want to see you before making any hasty decision.
Oh, huh? Why are you finding it very hard to... No. Tell me, why are you here now to discuss this already tackled matter? Yeah? We've talked about this now. Look, stop behaving like this. I know your plan. Oh. No, I know what you're planning. You want to ruin my marriage with the princess. It will not work. Oh. I swear to God, I will not give you that chance. You cannot do it. Oh.
Please.
Please
Listen to me. Calm down and listen to me. You know how much I love you. You know I want us to spend our lives together forever. But my parents are threatening to marry me off to another man. Can't you see it?
Now you're talking now. Go ahead and get married to the man now. Go and marry the man. And leave me alone. Get with your problem now. You're planning to spoil things for me. Oh. Yeah? Enemies. You don't want me to get married to the princess. Ha! Poverty Awagara. Come and be good. Come on. Don't worry. You'll be fine.
It's me.
It's you now. It's you. Oh, what's wrong with you? I'm not talking about the bombs. I'm not talking about the What's wrong with you?
Where is that boy? Where is that vagabond? Uso? Are you the one marrying my Adeze?
You need to calm down. Let me explain this to you. Alright?
So it's true, Uso. So it's true. I called you my friend, Uso. My friend getting married to my girlfriend. Uso, you know how much I love this girl. Why would you do such a thing to me?
Come on now. Yeah? This is the way you are ranting as if it's my fault. Yeah? Adeze made her choice. She wants a worthy suitor. Alright? Someone she can actually rule the kingdom with. A capable hand. You never dash out on my head.
So you call yourself a worthy suitor? You're nothing but a green snake in the green grass. And I will not stand by and allow you to take Adeze from me.
And I will not allow you ruin my plan. Yes, you cannot ruin my plan out of your selfishness.
You know what? You're nothing but a green snake in the green grass and I will treat you fuck up.
You're nothing but a small boy. You don't feel me? You and your entire family put together cannot do anything to me. To an elephant like me. If you don't know, I'm a lion. One day you come get now. Let's say come get 100k, check 50k, check 20k, so.
Let's bet, Uzo. You will not marry my Adeze. Not when I'm alive.
Me and you better.
Let's bet.
Me and you better. I Greek like you. Me and you better. Yeah? Wonder what?
You will not take my Adeze from me.
Wonder what? Wonder what? Okay now. Wonder what? So. Wonder what? So. What? What? And now I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out. Get up! Take a walk! Who the hell are you? What the fuck? Kachiko! You don't know me! You don't know me, Abobi! Kachiko! Get out of this place! Moko, Oyala! Look, I don't want to ever see you anywhere around this. Let me see you now, you know me from where. I have nothing to lose, oh. I have nothing to lose. One day I'm a very poor guy. One day I will destroy your cow. I have nothing to lose. I don't even get tired. I will destroy your car. Yo.
Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomadu, enwere gonodo. Ndi ekwensi di n'ime, enwere gonodo.
What are you doing here? My mother will not take it lightly with you after what happened to my sister in the palace.
I know. And that's why I came. You see, even though Marachi is dead, we can still prove her innocence.
How are you supposed to do that?
About what you told me the other time. Do you have evidence against Adeze? Anything that can show or prove that she poisoned your sister and me?
I am sorry. Your Highness, I don't have any evidence yet. Even though I know that Adeze visited my sister Amarachi before your coronation. It's possible she may have been involved in the poison Amarachi gave to you.
Are you sure my sister visited Marachi?
My mother is the only person that knew about her visit. But no one will believe the word of a blind woman.
You're right. I want you to keep an eye out for me, for a man. I believe he's the only one who can save my sister right now. This man is not too tall, not too short. He's hairy, with beards.
Your Highness, who is this strange man you speak of? Who is he?
I've not told anyone this, but he's the one who saved me from the poison. But somehow he's hiding his identity.
Why?
I don't know.
Spanner. Yes, boss. I told you to visit only on an emergency.
Boss, matter rise. Something happened for Ugogu family. May child still there.
The male child from the Ugogu family still lives. How is that possible?
Boss, I will tell you something. Be like say one blind woman don't keep am since. Yes, boss.
The child from the Ugogu family still lives and I'm not alive. How is that possible? Spanner.
Boss, I tell you.
Look, I don't know what you want from me, okay? So how can I possibly help you?
I know you want the princess. In the other hand, I don't want her to become the queen of this land.
What are you talking about, please?
I want to rule the opportunity of her becoming the queen.
How do you intend doing that? You know she's unstoppable.
We can stop her. Yes. You know her too. So, Emeka, tell me. Tell me about her bad records.
Bad record? I don't think she has any. You know the princess is a good girl.
Good girl. Anyway, what about the baby? You said she's pregnant for you, right?
Yes.
Then claim the baby. She'll become your wife.
What? No, I can't do that. I don't think I would indulge in such.
Emeka, don't be a fool. Claim the baby. Yes.
So you're trying to tell me I should just go and get the baby from her, or what? What do you mean? I don't
The
understand.
baby is yours.
Lola, what are you doing?
I'm tired. I want to die. I am tired of suffering. Please kill me.
You will not die. Okay? You will not die, I promise.
If you love me as your sister, please kill me.
I said you will not die. You will not die.
I'm suffering.
Come. You will not die. You will not die, I promise you.
Come outside. Get out.
I have failed.
You have not failed, my prince. You see, the battle you are facing alone is a battle for another, not yours.
I don't understand the word you just said. Meanwhile, what about the man I asked you to help me search for?
I found him.
Then take me to him at once.
My prince, there is something you need to know, very important. There is another royal bloodline in this our kingdom. And this very stranger you seek is the last remaining heir.
Another royal bloodline in this kingdom. How is that even possible?
Very possible. Very, 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 very possible, my prince. In fact, you see this very stranger we are talking about now has the key to your sister's healing. Yes.
Then why are we wasting so much time? Take me to his house.
One more thing, my prince. See, this stranger can as well take over the throne if he wishes. Roma.
Chinaboniteze. If this stranger has the power to heal my sister, then he can as well take the throne for all I care.
No, that's my prince. Oh, one cannot. See, my prince, there's something in your mind. Well, you just wiped that very thing you said now. Don't even let a second ear hear it. The throne is yours. You are our next king. Why would you even think of somebody coming to take over the throne that is rightfully yours? We can look for a way to, meet with the stranger, but we get throne. I pray for that.
There's a more.
No.
Have you found any trace to the missing male child?
His presence is elusive. His face glared, out of sight, and hidden under the shadow.
That is totally unacceptable. We must find him and eliminate him before he becomes a threat to our power.
Indeed or no, his existence threatens the very foundation of our authority. We cannot allow him to roam free.
Ezemo, you do not seem to understand. We cannot afford to fail. Our power, our legacy, everything is at stake.
You think I'm not aware of that? This affects me as much as it does to you.
What do? We must uncover the truth and secure our dominance.
We must delve deeper into the spiritual realm and cast our net very wide until we unearth the hidden face. I will be needing something that belongs to him.
They send your small boys after me.
Now I can bring out your hand. I told you not that I don't want to ever see you in my compound again. Take your cat and leave this place.
How dare you? You know, Uzo, you forgot how deadly I am. One more word from me, I will blow your head off. I promise you.
Emeka, you're pointing your gun at me. Emeka?
Yes. This should be my last warning to you, Uzo. If you mess with me next time, you won't be alive to tell the story. I promise you. I will mess you up. You know me, right? You know how deadly I can be. The word is enough for the wise. Ife.
Maba, if not for one thing, I could do your things and things. I could put them for your body. What? Me? Emeka.
What if they accuse us of poisoning Princess Uloma, like they did to Amachi? And please, I don't want to be part of this. Like, I don't want to be punished for the crime I did not commit.
My sister, I understand your fear. But think about it. We've been serving this palace for years now, and nobody's going to suspect us or doing anything. Even if they want to do that, they would have done that a long time ago.
Do you think they are not waiting for the moment to do this?
There's nothing like waiting for any moment. If they really wanted to interrogate us, they would have done that. See, let me tell you something. Leaving the palace now will make us look guilty. So it's just better we stay and focus on our house and on work. That's just it.
I understand, but I'm very, very scared.
It's fine.
Let's get back to work.
I'm coming.
The great priest of Umuomak in my house. What a great day.
Woman, I heard that the son you claim died during childbirth is alive. True or false? Speak plainly, or you face the consequences of telling the people lies for 26 years.
My son lives, Chief Priest. He walks in a path only known to him. Be rest assured, he will be revealed in due time.
Woman, you speak in people's terms. I'm running out of patience.
I speak the truth, Chief Priest. My son's destiny is intertwined with the forces beyond your comprehension. Embrace the uncertainty. He will be revealed in due time.
Woman, you speak nonsense. There is no iota of truth in the words you have spoken. You said your son is dead. You said it.
You almost sound as if you really want my son dead. I can feel your heartbeat from here.
Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomano, emwere gono do. The evil people are taking control. Enemies within, emwere gono do. Enemies within, emwere gono do.
I feel so strong. The gods has healed me.
Wow. Now this is great news. How did this happen?
It's like a dream. A strange man. He administered a liquid in my mouth. And when I woke up, I felt so strong. Like a burden was taken off my shoulders.
Tell me about this young man.
I couldn't see his face. It felt like the gods sent him to me. Or it could be our father.
No. It can never be. He came again. Did he come?
Dikeh. Who came again?
Listen.
He's like, he just disappeared. I didn't see him.
How come? What are we going to tell boss?
Bro, we have to look for him because boss don't like bad news.
Of course, we must find him. He must be
He
around
must be
here.
around here. Let's go and look for him.
The devil is all we are praising you in Africa. The devil is all we are praising you in Africa.
I heard you're traveling pretty soon.
Yes. So it's just you and our brother now. Honestly, I pray for the best for this kingdom while I'm away.
Oh, such a noble thing to do. Leaving the kingdom, running away from the kingdom. I mean, that is quite impressive.
I am leaving for my own personal reasons. You don't have to mock me.
Mock you say? Huh? Darling, you are running away from the kingdom because of immense sickness and you think I am mocking you. Hell no, I am not. I mean, it's a noble thing to do. All applauds to you. I have an advice for you. Now that you have decided to leave for good and never come back.
This promise mine forever. Nobody go tell me it's
say something. It's just... Oh my goodness.
The devil is on, we are praising you in Africa.
God.
The devil is on, we are praising you in Africa.
God.
This crown is mine, mine forever. Nobody.
Go to the town crier. Tell him to announce the existence of another bloodline in our kingdom. And I seek their aid to uncover this heir.
Yes, Your Highness.
Tell them that whosoever brings information that will bring about the discovery of this heir will be richly rewarded.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go now.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomanu, enwere gonodu. Ndi ekwensu jinime, enwere gonodu. The evil people are taking control. And they be sweetie.
Is the Modisiva.
The prince now knows about the existence of the last royal bloodline, and yet you could not find out the last male child of the Ogbogu family.
No, don't worry. Adeze just left. She brought an item belonging to him. Get your men. They will need Akaleju to hold him back. As you do that, inform the elders we are proceeding as planned.
Our kingdom is in shambles. Who is behind this?
Well, what am I doing here? Huh? How did this happen? I mean, who are you both working for? Who are you working for?
How many questions at a time? You really gave me a hard time. If not that substance, you would have become invisible just like before. Hello, boss. We have him right now with us. Okay, boss. Okay, we are waiting.
Afa, it's in boss talk now. Man, know if I could just test this mercy on top in brain.
Boss saying he's coming, he wants to handle me himself.
Guys, listen guys, you need to know something. Whoever sent you to do this will eliminate you immediately you kill me. I beg of you, just let me leave. Let me go for the sake of your own lives too. Please.
Shut up! You're lucky my boss wants to handle you himself.
You just follow your eye.
You better keep quiet and remain silent here.
Stop. You want to kill your fellow friend.
What is going on here? Why are you blocking my way?
My presence. I've been instructed to keep you out of the palace, you and your family.
What nonsense are you talking about? Someone instructed you to keep me and my family out of the palace.
Yes,
why is that? Have you forgotten that I'm the head princess of this kingdom? Huh?
I'm sorry, my princess, but that is the instruction.
Are you mad? Eh? Inesife? Now I want you to give me names. Tell me who gave such orders and I will cut off the person's head right now. Oh well, if you can't say, you will get out of my way so I could get into the palace, else you would lose your job. Excuse me.
I'm sorry, you can't.
Asandu!
Are you leave that?
Ojanye lichukwu cheke Makeriri adiroko koma nonu Onye wewe chi abuwa Kanyi marukwa nejira so atu okafia
Father, you're a man. Odogu akataka. Eh? Father, I knew this is what you've been dreaming of. But I thank God we got it. Yeah? Odogu nam.
Ichie Ezekwesili one of Umuomako. Son, the time has finally come.
Exactly.
Now that Dikeh and his siblings are out of the palace,
Good.
Our turn, our time to take over the throne has come.
Indeed, our time has come. Yes, of course, Father. And now that the princess is no longer a threat, I mean the princess Adeze is no longer in line to becoming the heir apparent to the throne, I can now go ahead and marry whoever I want and still ascend the throne, right?
Hold your horses, my boy.
Okay.
Though the path to the kingship may seem clear, but we must tread with caution.
Okay.
There is no way you will become king when I'm still alive.
Father, I don't understand. What are you talking about? I thought we...
You thought wrong, Buzo. Yes, I may have groomed you to become the king and probably take over the throne. But the tides have changed. I will now become the king while you become the...
No, wait, Father!
You only ascend the throne when I'm gone.
Father, it's not possible! Are you serious right now? Father, you deceived me! You used me! Are you this evil? Father, you used me to achieve your evil ambition. And now you're tossing me aside.
Shut up.
You want to use and dump me?
Shut up. How can you become king when I'm still alive?
Father, come to think of this. Are you in any way thinking that the elders of the land will allow you to ascend the throne? It feels not possible.
Let's see which of them defies me.
Father, I lost my woman and my child because of this. Are you serious right now? Father! Father!
Mother, it's been days since we last heard from Richard. I've tried calling him. His phone is either off or unreachable.
I know how you feel. No child has ever done this before. Staying this long without communicating with us. I feel something bad has happened to my son.
What if something terrible has happened to him now?
May the gods forbid. Nothing will happen to Jenna. I pray that the gods will always protect him. Jenna, evil eyes will not see you. The gods will always protect you.
Amen. Let me try it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Was that your name?
My name is Ukwamaka, sir.
Ukwamaka. Beautiful. I know you like to quiz this job. Make a fortune for yourself.
I love my job, sir.
See, I want to marry you. Take good care of you. You deserve to be the wife of a rich man. Huh? Ukwamaka, think about it. You'll be the one to give.
Madam, what did anyone want from you?
Ono will say he wants to marry me.
He wants to marry you. What did Ono see in low life like you? And what do you even answer him?
I've not answered him, but I'm not going to marry him. He's an old man.
I've always known you're a fool. Do you know that if you get married to Ono, you will gain a lot from him? Do you know how many ladies he has taken away from this village?
Amara, I do not care. But me, I am not going to marry Ono. He's an old man. I don't care if he has money. It's none of my business. But I cannot marry him.
You're a fool. See, open your eye. You better shine your eye. You not marry him. You don't want to marry an old man.
Elders of Umoma, it is evident that the royal family has failed in their duty to rule this kingdom. I therefore propose, as the esteemed Onowu of this kingdom, that I take over the mantle of leadership of this great kingdom to lead our people to prosperity.
Onowu, this is an outrage. The throne rightfully belongs to the royal lineage. So, we must honor our tradition and find a suitable successor among the royal family.
Enough, Ndukwe. It is evident that your outdated traditions blinds you to the realities of the kingdom. I will not entertain dissent. You can leave if you are not ready to follow the path I've set forth.
No. I will not support this. This is very outrageous.
Does any one of you see oppose me? Well, I take your silence to mean consent. My coronation is tomorrow.
Well, tomorrow is a Kemaka day, but we could do our coronation on Afo.
Tradition is what I say it is.
Oh no, or Adabakwa.
No, I want to remind you that we are the custodian of our tradition. Tradition must be obeyed. We don't coronate on a Kemake day, rather on Afomake day.
Like I said before, tradition is what I say it is. My coronation comes up tomorrow, period. Tell your drunkard of a brother that I am coming to pay your bride price.
Oh no, with all due respect, I cannot marry you. You are an old man. There are other beautiful ladies in this kingdom. Choose from them, not me. Not me, definitely. Not me. I cannot marry you.
Listen,
please.
I am the future king of this kingdom. Do you want to defy me? Tell your brother, for I know he's the only family you have. After my coronation tomorrow, I'll be coming to pay your bride price, and you will be my queen.
You know, become big. I still cannot marry him. He's an old man. No.
Nkechi, we need to find your brother. I know you're hiding him, but not anymore. He holds the key to the future of this kingdom.
But Your Highness, we've searched everywhere for him to no avail. But why do you think he should take the throne? We are not royal.
He healed me from the poison when no one else could. I believe he's the only heir of the other royal bloodline destined to rule this kingdom.
What about our lineage? Your Highness, why should an outsider take precedence over the rightful rulers of Umama?
Nkechi, sometimes destinies unfold in a way mere humans cannot comprehend. If your brother is the chosen one, we must embrace that. Put him on the throne for the future of our great kingdom.
You are a good man. You have lots of luxury to your disposal. But what I don't understand is why you still fight for the throne for someone else.
Well, that's because I want the right person to take that throne. We cannot allow Onowu to continue with his evil deeds in this kingdom.
We are late. He will be crowned today, but my brother is nowhere to be found. Once he becomes the king, no authority supersedes.
We must find your brother at once.
Where did you keep him?
What do you mean? Which kind of talk with that one?
China Onifezi, where did you keep him?
I don't keep him where I supposed to keep him. I want to be your business again.
It's not my business, right? Listen, that boy is the descendant of Omogo, the only surviving heir to the royal bloodline. So these people should not touch him. There's been a clan covering him and making him to drink. Nobody should touch him. Don't touch him. Destiny cannot be averted. So I ask you again, where did you keep him?
You don't want, you want my playing film here, eh? I could also...
Emeka, I know you are a good man and you might benefit from it.
You don't get it. I don't want the princess anymore. So why on earth do you think I will help you out?
I'll give you 10 million naira for a cooperation and access to the princess. I know you still like her. I can see the anger in your eyes. You're angry because you still want her back. I'm very sure she will want you back, especially now she can no longer be the queen.
But, my prince, what do you want me to do? What exactly do you want me to do, please?
I hear word that you are the king of this street here in the village. I want you to make some calls. I believe someone has been kidnapped. I'm doing this for the sake of our people and not for Daisy.
Oh, my prince, I really appreciate your kind gesture. Thank you very much. I will see what I can do about that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I don't think there is still time. The ceremony has already started at the palace. So, let's go.
Let's get to work.
Okay, my prince.
Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomenu, emwere gono do. Ndiye kwensi jinime, emwere gono do.
See, young man,
do yourself a favor by leaving this village now. Now, like I said, now. Now. Now.
He's wanted alive, but for you, I have no reason to spare you.
Now, lower your hand. This is a...
Oh no, stop. Elders of our kingdom, please hear me out. What do you want here? I am the true descendant of the late chief priest of our kingdom, Ini Edo. I am here to present to you the remaining heir of another bloodline of this kingdom.
Yes, my elders. Yes, my name is Chinapwanitese. I am the real noble great-grandson of Ebogo, the real royal bloodline and the heir to the throne.
This is a blessed day. Our kingdom, true rulers, have been revealed. Long live our new king.
Long live our future prince.
This cannot be. You? You? It's been you all this while.
Even now, Ijebo ever.
Oh no.
No, Ijebo.
How did you do it? How did you do it? Relax yourself. Oh, pick your call now. Yeah?
What is the color of your problem?
I don't know. Yeah. Blue or white and black.
You don't know.
I don't know.
I was told you came to my house looking for me, insisting you want to see me. Ngozeka. And you've been calling and calling and calling my phone. What the hell do you want from me?
Ngo, I want us back together. Ngo, I can't afford to lose you. You know I love you so much. Yes, I was manipulated into leaving you. My father manipulated me. You know I love you. I truly loved you. Please. You need to forgive me.
You can't afford to lose me. A commoner like me.
No, you're not a commoner.
The enemy of your progress.
Stop, Opani.
Uzonaya, are you mentally okay? Eh?
Please. Look, because I am nothing without you. You're my life. You're my everything. I don't know what to do without you. I want you in my life. I want you. I was deceived by my father. Please, I am sorry. I am sincerely sorry. Please, you need to forgive me. Please, come back to me. Please, please, please.
Ngozi, Bikonu. Huh? Bikonu. What do you want me to do? What exactly do you want me to... I'm ready to do anything. Just tell me what to do just to have you back in my life, please. Please. Bikonu, Ngom, Bikonu. Huh? Ngom.
Well, I'm nothing like you.
Okay.
To err is human.
Yes.
And to forgive
is divine. Yes.
Stand up.
Oh, yeah. Just like that. Oh, come here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, since we are no longer enemies.
Yeah, we can never be enemies.
I would like to invite you for my wedding, taking place next tomorrow at St. Patrick's Church. Do well to attend.
Ngozi, you're not serious now. How can you do this to me? Wedding kwa? Ngozi, come. Ngo? No, now you can't do this to me now. Eh?
Bye-bye.
Ngo? You cannot do this. Ngo! Hey!
No. How can he still be alive? Get out of here before I strike you dead.
The information of the false god can be disappointing. Your time is up.
Get out of here before I strike you dead.
You are joking because I have come to take what rightfully belongs to me.
I am the rightful guardian of this tribe, chosen by the gods themselves.
You speak of the gods while your lineage is trained by deceit. Your grandfather unjustly seized this position from mine, fabricating accusation stories to boost up his claims.
Lie! I can't allow you to tarnish the image of my family.
You connived with Onowu to take away the throne from the rightful heir. You brought your foreign gods that does your bidding and put our Gugu away. Guess what? The gods of our land are always with me. I am fully back.
Get out here! I warned you! Get out of this place!
Stop wasting your time. The fire you waged against me shall consume you.
Your Highness, we must put things in place. It is too much. Of course.
What are you doing? I am still your noble of this kingdom. How can you start a meeting without me?
You are Onowu title have been stripped from you. You are no more the Onowu of this kingdom.
This is preposterous. I have served this kingdom faithfully for years. You cannot cast me aside like that.
Hey, Onowu, your reign of oppression and injustice comes to an end today. All the land that you collected illegally, unlawfully, and what again? All of them have been returned back to their rightful owners.
You cannot do this. I cannot stand and watch my legacy crumble before me. My king, you can't let them do this.
It's quite unfortunate that my hands are tied. Like my Onowu rightfully said, in a kingdom, there is no way you can have two Onowu in just one kingdom. Right here is the perfect Onowu for this great kingdom. So please, I do not want to sound disrespectful. I really appreciate it if you can quietly, as a gentleman that you are, go back to where you are coming from. For I was having a very important meeting with my cabinet.
My king, you can't do this. I've served this kingdom faithfully for so many years. You can't do what?
Like I said, the meeting will be a whole. It's very, very important. So please, excuse us. And I wouldn't want to use force on you. Excuse us. So I know like you.
My king, gentlemen, leave. My king, I've served this kingdom faithfully.
No, we are disturbing us.
My king, you can't do this.
Guards! The king said you help us out of the palace.
Guards! Leave.
It's just as simple as that.
Ungrateful Onowu.
My king.
So, Honorable, like you were saying.
That's no one can.
And
some
Father, what have I done to you? How could you do this to me? Father, you cost me everything. You cost me the throne, the love of my life, my child. How could you?
Listen, Ozo, I am not in the mood. I do not want to hear your pity stories.
No, come back here! How dare you walk out on me? You listen to me when I talk to you. If I talk to you, you listen. How dare you walk out on me?
Ozo, what has come over you?
Father, what do you have to tell me? What can you tell me right now? Speak! I have few questions for you. And I want you to go straight to the point and answer my questions. Father, are you now the king of this great kingdom? Are you still Hezekwesili? Are you still the Onowu, or you've lost everything out of your grave? Out of the quest of taking what is not yours. And you had to pull me down with you. You had to drag me into your mess.
I never meant for
please!
I was blinded by my ambition, and now we've lost everything. I'm sorry. Please don't kill me, Biko. You're my son, remember, I'm your father.
Shut up! No. Shut your mouth. If I hear you're my father one more time, I swear to God, Onowu, I will behead you.
I'm sorry.
I will behead you and nothing, absolutely nothing will happen.
I am your father. Please, Biko, don't kill me. Please don't kill me, please.
Listen to me. This is a reminder that any time a deceitful thought crosses your mind, you will never think of putting it to work. Right? You will be reminded of this very moment each time.
Sorry, my son.
She wants to do evil.
I guess you are relieved that your best friend is now the king.
Of course, yes. I'm even more relieved that he is now, when I actually thought he was your brother. He looks very scary.
And all of this would not have been possible without.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I truly appreciate. Thank you.
Stop. I don't think my sister will be happy about this.
Oh my God.
What is it?
What just happened?
What?
My manhood. It just moved. It has not moved since after my coronation.
Are you serious?
Yes! I think I'm a man again. Oh my God.
I heard all you said.
Thank you very much, Mama.
And I am happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I am so happy. I am
you.
very, very, very happy. My
you so
daughter.
much.
Mama. I am happy for you.
Everyone.
Is that my son's voice?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Uchennamu!
The greatest says you more of our time. I greet you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, great man.
Thank you very much.
Now.
Mama.
Welcome.
I brought good news.
Eh.
I also brought bad news.
Okay.
Isabat Adeze here. She has finally joined her ancestors. But the good news here is about Mama.
Eh.
So what about Mama?
I have finally obtained the golden staff. With its power, I can restore sight for those who has lost their sight.
Hi. Now, boy, doctor said I cannot see again. Now they go late.
Mama, is not true. Those are the words of mortal. The gods have not spoken. The spirit control the physical. Mama, you can see again.
Hey,
Mama.
Huh?
Mama, what is it? What is it, Mama? Mama? What now?
Can you see me?
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
Mama?
Can you see me?
Mama?
Can
you see me?
I can see.
Mama, you can see.
I told you, Mama,
No,
I can see.
no.
Mama, if you can see, what am I wearing?
Ochano?
Mama.
Mokocha? No. No.
Thank you very much.
I can see.
Yes,
Onye we chi abụọ ka anyị marụkwa na ejiri azụ atụ oke afịa onye na-amarozi oyi ya soro mpekele maka na agha ngota dị n'ujichi ọ bụrụ na ndị ụzọ tụche n'ebe